Conjugation of the verb to shower in 12 English tenses. 1. Simple present, I shower. 2. Simple past, I showered. 3. Simple future, I will shower. 4. Present continuous, I am showering. 5. Past continuous, I was showering. 6. Future continuous, I will be showering. 7. Present perfect, I have showered. 8. Past perfect, I had showered. 9. Future perfect, I will have showered. 10. Present perfect continuous, I have been showering. 11. Past perfect continuous, I had been showering. 12. Future perfect continuous, I will have been showering. Conjugation of the verb to shower, he, she or it. 1. Simple present, he, she or it showers. 2. Simple past, he, she or it showered. 3. Simple future, he, she or it will shower. 4. Present continuous, he, she or it is showering. 5. Past continuous, he, she or it was showering. 6. Future continuous, he, she or it will be showering. 7. Present perfect, he, she or it has showered. 8. Past perfect, he, she or it had showered. 8. 9. Future perfect, he, she or it will have showered. 10. Present perfect continuous, he, she or it has been showering. 11. Past perfect continuous, he, she or it had been showering. 12. Future perfect continuous, he, she or it will have been showering. Conjugation of the verb to shower, you, we or they. 1. Simple present, you, we or they shower. 2. Simple past, you, we or they showered. 3. Simple future, you, we or they will shower. 4. Present continuous, you, we or they are showering. 4. 5. Past continuous, you, we or they were showering. 6. Future continuous, you, we or they will be showering. 7. Present perfect, you, we or they have showered. 8. Past perfect, you, we or they had showered. 9. Future perfect, you, we or they will have showered. 10. Present perfect continuous, you, we or they have been showering. 11. Past perfect continuous, you, we or they had been showering. 12. Future perfect continuous, you, we or they will have been showering.